Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Catherine here, and today we have a new segment on my channel called H2O2 News, where we may spill some tea, help you educate yourself on your choices, and so much more. And I'm joined today by the reason I am here today, the chemist. Let's begin with the first most controversial argument I've seen: whether or not natural is better.
It's a good question. How to answer this? I don't know. As a chemist, I have been formulating natural stuff and commercial stuff, and I have heard it all. Sometimes it's a miracle for someone, and I receive praises like, "Oh my God, that was a solution. That was what I was looking for, was waiting for." And the same formula, the same product would be harmful for someone else. They would damage me for it. They would say, "Oh my God, that burns my skin." So the key here is, doesn't matter if it's a natural or commercial product. It's your skin. It's you. You figure it out yourself. I made it. I cannot tell you to use it and it will be great for you. I know it's a good product, but if it's good for you or not, it's your problem. This is the issue you need to work on. You need to try yourself. Some stuff I buy and I try and I love, and I ask my daughter to try, and she's like, "Mom, oh no, Mom, that's horrible. Oh, I wouldn't touch this." And we share genes. So you're not waiting for someone to tell you this is good or bad. Think for yourself. And in the end, it's your skin. It's who you are. Nobody will know it. Even your mom. I'm her mom, and I recommend the stuff. It's good for me. Does not work for her.
But also, I know a lot of people are like, "Oh, but someone else is doing the research and they're putting it, I think you also need to listen, like, everyone, there's so many influencers and dermatologists, chemists, and their daughters who post on the internet some helpful tips. And I think it's good to get from every source and figure it out for yourself. No one's telling you to research on your own, but I think it's good to take in all the info and use it to your benefit. Like, let's say we're all at a dinner table,
and I'm just gonna pick one chicken nugget.
Gonna get a bunch. So don't only pick from one source, and figure out what's best for you. What trending products going on right now? I've heard people say they're burning my skin, and some people are like, "This is my miracle product." It all depends on each person. It doesn't matter if one person recommends it or not.
Okay, it's the same as medicine, guys. Like, if you go to the doctor, prescribe you a medication for some disease, you take it. Some people will experience all the side effects of it. Some will never. Some will get healed. Some will never even touch it. So think for yourself. We, as scientists, we do our best. We search for you. We formulate. We put stuff together in a way that we think it's the best. But if it's gonna work on you or not, that's not in our hands. So use your mind. Bad is bad, good is good. Like, if I ask you to put gasoline in your skin, you're not gonna say, "Okay, I'll try." No, because it's bad. Be a DIY product, and all of the ingredients are natural. The stuff you can eat, you can put it inside and digest. That means it's not bad, it's not harmful, but it means it's your homework to try on you and see if it's gonna help or not. This is your homework. Nobody can do that for you. There is no smart head in the whole world can tell you, use this, do not use that.
No one knows everything. That is simply impossible. If everyone knew everything, cancer would be cured, and so many other things would be non-existent. But no one knows everything, and no one can tell you what to do because everyone is completely different.
You are a very unique piece. You're created to be very unique. I would know what I make. I would know what's in this formula. I would know the benefits. But how I would know if this one would work on you as a unique piece? That's your job.
Also, another point we could talk about is how natural skincare has been around for, would you say, like millions of years, or?
It's been since ever,
Yeah.
since human was created and start to collect herbs and spices and make something to improve some stuff.
And based on current events right now with the Black Lives Movement, there are a bunch of black skincare brands that are very natural that I can actually link down below if you guys want to try them.
That would be a great idea. We all need to support each other, and especially on these times. Very important. That would be for a good cause too. And in the end, it's up to you to try and figure out if it does help or not.
And a lot of people want, African skin because it is so beautiful.
It is.
And that goes into their natural products that they use.
It is. Genes also, it's a great factor in your skin. Some people just wash and go. Some people have to spend half an hour. Some people have to spend an hour every day to just be ready to go out. So it doesn't matter. You're beautiful. You do what you need to do. Do it right. Think about it. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. You know what to do.
I also have a public service announcement that kind of overlays this whole video. Skincare is not just black or white. It's this whole gray area. And no one, like we said before, no one product can work for every single person, and it doesn't work like that. This is not. Even you guys, you don't need to trust us either. What works for me and her will not work for you guys all the time.
Yes. Yes. Like I told you before, I try stuff. I make stuff myself. Try it on myself, and it's wonderful. Give my daughter to try and would say, Mom, no way I would use this again. So
I have more.
it
Continue.
can help. It can be, okay, I can live with that. Maybe it's no for me. So that's when it's great. There's so many shade into it. There's nothing good or bad. It does work, doesn't. It's okay. It's not that good. Maybe.
I would say also I have more sensitive skin than you. I water turns me red. So what works on
You should see her after shower, huh?
what works on you does not work on me, because we're not the same person. I mean, we do look alike, but we're not the same person.
Exactly.
I think people also don't. I feel like we're kind of looked at like skincare people, but you do a lot of research on autoimmune. I think people think we don't. Going back to skincare, we don't buy products.
Oh, we do buy a lot of
I
products.
just bought 3 hyaluronic acid bottles yesterday. I think more of our problem is the fillers and the preservatives that they put in that, I mean, you have to put it in if you want the product to last 12 months.
Yeah.
So I think that's and there's a lot of carcinogenics and stuff going on.
So it's, again, if we, as a scientist, we do our best to give you the best knowledge we know in a bottle, in a container. But you take this and you apply it on your own. Think for yourself and try. And it's okay to have a sample and try. And do not take anybody's word on your skin. And always remember that skin is inside out product. You need to work in your inside. You need detox.
What you eat is
What you
very,
eat. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of green tea, herbs. All of that helps. So skin is not only what I put in. What I put on the skin, maybe we'll say 10% of whatever will benefit the skin, because not everything gets absorbed in the right way and to the right cell and the right time. Your movement of applying it. So a lot of factors. What's important is take care of your inside. Do not have any toxic, junk,
processed sugars.
processed food, sugars, extra carbs, good carbs are good, but processed carbs are bad. So take care of your inside, and then that's when you see the results. But if I'm eating junk, processed, and a lot of tons and tons of sugar and artificial things, and I put the best stuff on my face, I don't expect any improvement. I'd be lying you.
Yeah.
Just you need to try. Some stuff you take as like it's a piece of bread, it's a piece of dessert, it's such a candy bar. But if you start eliminating things and see how your body's reacting to it, I am getting improved, am I getting worse, I'm the same, so it does not affect me. And eliminating takes time. So I would choose one category of food. I would say I'll start eliminating sugar for the next 3 weeks.
Which is very hard.
Which is so hard. So I like, because it's so addicting. So I would say take it gradually, and see how you improve. First week would be the hardest because it's like addiction. And then by second week, you will start noticing how your energy level is getting improved, how your mood is getting improved. By the third week, you will figure out that, oh, I think sugar was not for me.
And there's also a lot of alternatives, you know. Stevia, I love stevia.
Go natural, yeah. Do not go like man-made things when it comes to
that's just filled with
artificial
preservatives.
sugar. Yeah. It's part of the business. It's part of marketing.
Should we believe everything though?
It makes people want it to try. So if I have the best product in the world and I don't have anybody to speak about or to market for, it's gonna stay on the shelf forever until it goes bad. So that's why, like, we pay people to advocate for the product. I'm not gonna say these people are liars and they are saying stuff is not true, because as I told you, I can try it and it's perfect on me. So the person can say, oh, it's the best. Not because he's lying, doesn't know. Not everybody's saying that because it's work. No, maybe they tried themselves and it's amazing. But at the end of the day, it's your skin, it's you. You're not him, you're not her. You are you.
Exactly.
They just put the word out. They're saying, there's a new product, guys. This company is amazing because they are working for them. So yes, of course, they are amazing. It works amazing on me. Oh my God, I love it. And I don't think they are lying. But it's great. But take it as it is. They are
Grain of salt. Yeah, take it.
They are putting the word out that there's something out in the market. You need it, try it. That's it.
Also, disclaimer, if we ever decide to do any ads, it is only for companies we really do support, and whatever's on this channel is our truth. And I just wanted to put that out there.
Go explore yourself. Enjoy it. You're so unique. You're so beautiful. Everybody's different. And because of that, you're so beautiful.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video and if you want a part 2. And make sure that you subscribe if you want more content with me and my mom. And we'll be putting more and more videos out there, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.